March 24th, 2015 meeting of the Transportation Committee will now come to order. Would you like to call the roll, Ms. Clerk?
Chairwoman Boyce.
Here.
Mr. Colby.
Here.
Mrs. Draw.
Here.
Mr. Gamble.
Here.
Mr. Lightfoot.
Here.
Mrs. Stick.
Here.
Ms. Taylor.
Is there anyone signed up for the public forum?
There is not.
I don't see anybody present in the chambers. Public forum is now closed. Approval of the minutes, the next item on the agenda. You have the February 24th, 2015 minutes of the Transportation Committee before you. They'll stand approved unless the clerk is notified of any changes by the end of the day. New business, please.
Referral 15-0099.
Moved by Legislator Stick, second by Legislator Draw. Any questions? Yes, Legislator Stick.
Have we used the design group before, and in what capacity?
Through you, Madam Chair, yes, the Poplar Design Group has done several highway designs as well as bridge designs and culvert designs for us over the years.
Any other questions? Mr. Lightfoot, did you have your hand up? No? Okay. I thought I saw your hand. Okay. All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Passes. Next item on the agenda.
Referral 15-0100.
Moved by Legislator Draw, seconded by Legislator Colby. Any questions with regards to this? Yes, Mr. Lightfoot.
To you, Madam Chair. When was the last assessment?
Through the chair, since I've been involved in lighting since 1995, there has not been a assessment. I'm not aware of one previous to that either, but I'm not positive.
Okay. Thank you. And through you, Madam Chair, you kind of answered the question. Is there a preventive maintenance plan for our lighting systems?
Through the chair, we do. As we have find outages, we have a contractor that goes out to troubleshoot as well as try to make the repairs to our lighting, to the expressway lighting system. So yes, we do have a maintenance contract.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Any further questions? Yes, Mr. Colby.
For you, Madam Chair, is this just for expressway lighting, any of the side street lighting we have, or is included or not?
Through the chair. And with me tonight, I want to introduce two people. Tim Freeler is the Deputy Director, and Jim Pond is the Chief Engineer for Signals, and he oversees the lighting stuff. So any tough questions, I'm going to dump to him. No. To answer your question, this is only for expressway, but under the expressway lighting, it also covers the interchanges and the lights right near the interchange that might be on a state road or a county road at an interchange or a city street.
Any further questions? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Passes. Next item on the agenda.
Referral 15-0001. Sorry, 101. Sorry.
Can you repeat that number on that, please?
Yes, 15-0101.
Thank you. Moved by Mr. Colby, seconded by Ms. Taylor. Any questions with regards to this issue? Yes, Mr. Gamble.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Through the chair, does this contract include the rehab work or just identifying rehab needs?
Through the chair, the contract with Hunt Engineers is just to look at, we've identified some of the needs, and they will further look into them as well as come up with designs if needed. And then we will then go out to bid for a contractor to come in and do the work. But this is just for the design work and the investigation of the work right now.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Any further questions? I guess I have, if you did, Mr. Rice, you mentioned that you've already identified some issues. Would it be appropriate to ask those this time?
Through the chair, sure. There's the building was built in 2001. We moved in 2002. And as we talked to our partners, Department of Environmental Services, overseas facilities, they kind of gave us, we're not into the building business. Obviously, we do highways and bridges and traffic signal systems. But they kind of told us some of the things that we should be looking at doing at this point with our HVAC units, as well. So there's the rooftop HVAC units, the ductwork that's there. Are we, now 15 years later, is it still energy efficient? Is there some other things that could be done throughout the system, throughout the building, that could be make balancing, maybe with the balancing of the heating system, make it more reliable, as well as some painting that needs to be done, some carpeting, just normal wear and tear that could be done on the on any building, and that's what we've identified. There's a whole long list that us, as well as our the people that utilize the building with us, which is the state police and state DOT signal people, have identified some needs. We won't be able to do everything, but we'll do what really needs to be done now, and then another 7-8 years from now, there might be another contract that would do some more.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Any further questions? All in favor? Any opposed? Passes. Next item on the agenda, please.
15-0102, authorize a
Moved by Ms. Taylor, seconded by Ms. Stick. Any questions with regards to this? Yes, Mr. Gamble?
Madam Chair. Through the chair, when will this construction take place?
Through the chair, this construction will start later this spring and will be complete by, our planned completion by November this year.
Thank you very much.
Any further questions? All in favor? Any opposed? Item passes. Next item on the agenda.
referral 15-0103,
Moved by Legislator Stick, seconded by Legislator Draw. Any questions with regards to this item? Seeing none, all in favor? Any opposed? Passes. Next item on the agenda, please.
referral 15-0114, authorize
Moved by Legislator Draw, seconded by Mr. Colby. Any question with regards to this item on the agenda? Yes, Mr. Gamble.
Through the chair, is this the minimum that we have to, the bid or policy that we have when we go through procedures like this?
Through the chair, for a permanent easement that's being donated, we have to offer them $1, yes.
Thank you very much.
Any further questions? Seeing none, all in favor? Any opposed? Passes. Next item on the agenda.
referral 15-0115, authorize the acquisition
Moved by Legislator Colby, seconded by Legislator Taylor. Any questions with regards to this item on the agenda? Yes, Legislator Draw.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Through you, why specifically are these parcels are required to complete the culvert replacement project for this on Whitney Road? South culvert replacement.
Through the chair, we're going to be replacing the culvert right near the school, and when we go in and do the work, we find that in order to put some key things that we want to be able to go in and be able to maintain later, we need to get permanent easements from the surrounding property owners so that we can go in later and maintain that culvert and the stone that goes around it so that we can get the correct drainage flow there in future years.
Thank you.
Any further questions? All in favor? Any opposed? Item passes. And last item on the agenda.
referral 15-0116, authorize the
Moved by Legislator Taylor, seconded by Legislator Stick. Any question with regard to this? Yes, Legislator
The
Draw.
same, thank you.
Thank
Probably the same question, but why specifically then the same thing? That these parcels be required to complete the culvert, the same replacement project?
Through the chair, yes, same answer.
Same answer. Okay. Thank you.
Any further questions? All in favor? Any opposed? Item passes on the agenda. Are there any other items to come before this committee today? Okay, the March 24th, 2015 meeting of the Transportation Committee stands adjourned. The next meeting of the Transportation Committee is scheduled for April 28th at 5 p.m. Thank you.